Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a good LinkedIn profile. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your LinkedIn profile. Okay, once you open that, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left and click on view profile, and here you can see your profile interface. So the first step, you simply need to click on plus and you need to add your profile picture. Then you need to click on this pencil icon and then you need to add a background cover, and here you can add your details. Then you need to, if you want, you can add sections into your profile, and scroll down, you can add anything about yourself here. As you can see that my complete detail. Then you need to enter your experience, and then you need to enter your education, and here you need to add your skills as well, and you can add your interest. So after you add, you might also, like, if you want, you can add something that you like. So by adding this all things, your profile looks great and you can attract different companies to hire you for any job, or if you want to build your profile on LinkedIn, this is also a good way to do that. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.